Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the detailed unboxing and working of this Onida 2025 model 1.5 ton 5-star split inverter 5-in-1 convertible cooling with deep cleaning AC. To be precise, if you want the specific model of this is IR 1.5 PRS 5G white color, which is looking pretty premium. This the user has purchased for 28,000. 5-star AC 1.5 ton at the rate of 28,000 or 29,000 is a very good deal. That too a known brand. Onida is a very well known brand, maybe basically for the TVs. For this the user is just trying this. See here, this is the 5-star rating. If I want to show you the precise model, I'll be showing you at the end. See here, now it has even more offers on the Flipkart. Means previously when the time of user has purchased, there is 2000 bank credit card offer. Now it has increased to 2500, which is a very good deal. See, this is the delivery of the Flipkart team. So one day the Flipkart guys has delivered this. So while they delivered, they just shown the packaging details for any damages or something like that for the product, but there were no damages, and remote batteries were provided in the box only. But remember, there is no power socket given. The user purchased manually. Okay, this is during the day of installation. It is being installed now. So at the end of the video I'll be testing this once the installation is completed. Okay, for installation it is 1600 rupees. Remember that 28,000 and some change is for the AC purchase, and 1600. See here, this is the Onida brand and the year and the exact model name, and 1600 is the price for the installation guys. There were two guys came to the installation procedure. Before they reach to the customer house, they just called once, and this is the remote, and the batteries were also in the package only. Okay, this is the first time we are just turning this on. There is on and off button, so with the on and off button you can just on, you can increase the temperature, increase and decrease. I'll show you the detailed remote review. See here, on off button, and this is the mode: dry air, fan. See, there are 4 modes. Heat, okay, heat mode. You just need to keep on pressing that modes. Auto mode, this is cool mode. So whenever you press, you will get different modes: auto, cool, dry, hot, fan. Okay, and this button is for increasing and decreasing the temperature. See, and this is the timer, this is the fan, and this AC is 5-in-1 compatible. I already said 5-in-1 compatible in the sense you can decrease the capacity of the AC if you don't want, means to save the power bill. Anyway, this is 5-star AC, so no need to worry about the power bills. It will work efficiently. Yeah, sorry, there is some blur here. Yeah, now it is decently looking good. Yeah, this is the timer. Okay, we'll leave the timer a bit, and fan button is increased to increase the fan speed, which is in the AC, within the AC, the fan button, and the green button is on off. And basically you need to keep the mode in cool. Actually, the mode button in cool, not fan, heat, yeah, auto, and again you need to press once so that it enters into cool. Now you can increase and decrease the temperatures with the up and down button. Yeah, 29, 28, 27. See, I'm just decreasing the temperature to make the room cool. And I'll also tell you how much time it has taken for the room to get fully cooled. It took like 15 to 20 minutes for it to be completely cooled for the initial operation for the first time, because the room is already very hot. This is in the summer. Okay, and I can sense this cooling here, really good cool. And there is one option, HC, which is high compression, which is like a turbo option also. In this remote there is an option called HC. If you turn it on, the room gets cool very quickly. That is the blue button. Okay, in the next video I'll tell you fully operation. As this is the unboxing and the price details and initial impressions, I just told you this. In the next video, please do ask in the comments if you want a detailed video of the remote operation. Okay, I'll be doing another video. And below 30,000, this would be one of the good ACs, because getting 1.5 ton 5-star rated AC within this budget is very good deal. The user who purchased this AC is as of satisfied as of now with the unboxing and also with the installation procedure. Thanks for watching.